Hi, it's Ian Thompson, 60 Seconds with Ian. Today we're doing this inside today because looking outside, it's like, you could tell fall is here. Today's video is about how to make it easier for the buyer to pick your home. Remember, a buyer's got a lot of choices. They can have 3, 4, 5, sometimes 10 houses they could pick from. Why would they pick yours? So just as an example, if you're going to be considering putting your home on the market and you know it needs a roof, then let's get a roofer in. We can help you with that to give you a quote on exactly what it's going to cost. Buyers tend to overestimate. Oh, this roof is going to be $25,000 when it's 15 or it's 10 or 18, whatever that number is. Even if you're not going to do the roof, you can say, hey, we checked into it. The roofer says it's a couple of years left, but the insurance company's indicating might need to be done. It's going to be $18,000. And then it's a negotiating item. You may choose to do it or whatever. But it's one more way that you're raising the comfort level of the buyer that says, hey, this seller really does know about their house, and that makes them feel confident going forward. Hey, if you like 60 Seconds with Ian, make sure you go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. And if you'd like to book an appointment with me, just hit the button below and I'll get back to you right away. Okay? Have a great day.